Okay, so we're going to need a string buffer data type to hold our string as we're building it. There are other methods, but we're going to do it in this way. So I'm going to declare of type string buffer. I'm just going to call it a buffer. So the variable name's buffer, it's of a data type string buffer, and I'm going to set it to a new string buffer because it's an object and it knows how to handle itself. So that's setting up a buffer, which is just a string, but it's a mutable string, so we can change it. I'm also going to set up an immutable version, which is going to read strings, and I'm going to use this as part of a while loop shortly to pull information from my buffer as a simple string and then add it to my or keep appending to my buffer to make a longer string, a whole web page out of what's coming back. So I also need a string. I'm going to call that a line. I'm going to call it a character, depends on what my input stream is doing, and I'm just going to set that to empty. Oops, there we go, that's better. Empty. And so I am now set up with all my data types ready to actually get the data from this stream and turn it into a string. And once I've got the string, I'm just going to pass it back to onPost execute, or it's going to pass back to onPost execute when the doing background thread stops.